Let's be real. Everyone wants to make $1,000 a month with AI books. It seems to be the magic number. It's that point where you're not just dabbling anymore. You start earning real, consistent passive income. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. It's not easy money. I know that's not what the gurus tell you. I know you've seen the ads. I made $5,000 a month using ChatGPT with Amazon KDP. Yeah, sure. But here's the part that they don't show you. The 100 failed drafts, the buried books, the algorithm slaps, and the months of testing and learning that came before their success. So today, I'm gonna give you the real truth of what it takes to make $1,000 a month with AI books. Not theory, not hype, but how the people who actually make it happen are doing this in 2026. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part one, the $1,000 a month illusion. The first thing you've got to understand is that $1,000 a month does not usually come from one viral book. It comes from consistency. Most people are publishing one book and praying. I'm sorry, but that's not a business. If anything, that's a lottery ticket. Don't treat your publishing business like a lottery ticket. Every successful AI publisher that I know is treating this like a pipeline. They're building 10, 20, sometimes 50 books. And not garbage copy and paste books either. They built a system. They have a process for finding niches and book ideas, for humanizing AI drafts, for designing good covers, and for launching strategically. That's how you win, through systems, not luck. You build something that compounds over time. Because one good book might make you $100 a month, but 10 of them, there's your 1,000. Which brings me to part two, the real work that nobody talks about. People love the idea of AI passive income, but the real truth is it's not passive at the start. At first, it's a grind. You're researching, editing, testing, optimizing. You're practically building a machine. But here's the beautiful part. Once the machine is built, it starts working for you. Every book you publish after that is faster, better, and easier because you've learned how the system works. And the people who make real money in this game, they're the ones who take the time to actually put in this front end work. The ones who take the time to humanize their drafts because they care about quality. They don't just upload text. They craft something that reads like a real person wrote it. The amateurs want shortcuts, but the pros build systems. That's the big difference. All right, part three. The algorithm does not care about you. Let me drop a truth bomb. Amazon does not care if you're new. It doesn't care if you spent all month writing your book either. It only cares about one thing. Are people buying it? If people click your cover and buy your book, then Amazon will reward you. If they don't, then you disappear. It's brutal, but it's fair because it means anyone can win if they learn the game. That's why you can't skip these fundamentals. Good titles, eye-catching covers, and most importantly, the human storytelling. You cannot just throw text at the wall and hope that it sticks. Every piece of this game, from keywords to categories to reviews, it all matters. The people who think they could just use AI and skip this human touch, they're gone in a month. But the ones who take this seriously, they are the ones getting rich quietly. And that's what I'm here to help you do. So finally, part four, the real truth about making $1,000 a month. So here's the real truth that nobody wants to tell you. $1,000 a month passively from AI books, it's not a dream, but it's also not magic. It's simply math. If you can make $100 a month from one solid book, then you're only 10 books away from $1,000 a month. That's it. And I don't mean 10 overnight. I mean building strategically over time. Every book teaches you something too. So every launch gets smoother and every failure sharpens your instincts. You don't need one viral hit. You need consistency. That is what builds real passive income. Not hype, not luck, consistency. So if you're chasing that $1,000 a month goal, stop looking for shortcuts and stop copying what everyone else is doing. Build your own lane and build a system. Because the truth is, this works. AI publishing isn't dead. It's just maturing. The easy money is gone, but the smart money is still wide open. And if you want the system that I built, the exact prompts, templates, and workflows that I personally use, I put it all inside my course. The link is below. And if this video hit home, subscribe, because the next one is going to break down why 99% of AI publishers quit and how to make sure that you're not one of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.